Good morning students. Happy to meet you all through this online teaching. Hope you all are safe and secure. Okay, now I am going to teach you English. Before we go into our subject, let me recall what we studied in our last class. In our last class, we studied the story about Mr. Toad goes for a ride. We all know what happened, isn't it? What happened? Yes, Mr. Toad along with his friends, they all went on a ride in a yellow carriage, and what happened? They all fell into a ditch. Did they go and complain to the police? No, because Toad got new interest on the motor car. Yes, very good. Now from the lesson, I have written 5 meanings. This is synonyms are called meanings. Okay, just see the board. I'll read for you. Children, write in your practice note and learn later. Number 1, warmly. Warmly means showing affection. Showing affection. If somebody guest or your relatives comes to your house, what you do? You immediately run to the door and you call them, come inside. Isn't it? That is called showing affection. Warmly means showing affection. Stable yard. Okay, stable yard. A building where horses are kept. A place, a building where they keep the horses. Next, glorious. Glorious means beautiful. Glorious, beautiful. Number 4, magnificent. Magnificent means very good. Excitement. Okay, excitement, a feeling of joy. When your parents buy you some new things, you all feel very happy, isn't it? That is called excitement. Excitement, a feeling of joy. Children, now we are going to learn third main. Answer the following. First main, what did we learn? Yes, first main we learned dictation words, that is new words. Second main we learned meanings. And third main we are going to learn answer the following. Answer the following. Okay, the first question is, why was Toad excited to see rat and mole? Why was Toad excited to see rat and mole? Okay, you start your answer from here. Toad was excited to see rat and mole because, children, what is the answer? Because he wanted to show his new yellow carriage, right? Okay, I'll write here. Okay, you also can write in your practice note. Write neatly with good handwriting. Right, start with capital letter. Toad was excited to see rat and mole because he wanted to show his new carriage. Okay, I'll read once more. Toad was excited. Okay, see, Toad was excited to see rat and mole because he wanted to show his new carriage. After writing one question answer, leave one line, keep a scale and draw one line here. Okay, children, after writing a question answer, take your pencil, leave one line, keep your scale like this and draw. It will be very neat. You can draw a line like this. It It will look neat and you can read easily. Second question. What did Toad invite Rat and Mole for? What did Toad invite Rat and Mole for? Children, answer me. Yes, you are right. Toad invited, you can start from the question itself. Toad invited Rat and Mole for a ride in his new carriage. Okay, now start writing. Answer. Start from here. Toad invited, T-E-D, okay? Invited Rat and Mole for a ride in his new carriage. I'll repeat you children. See here. What did Toad invite Rat and Mole for? Toad invited Rat and Mole for a ride in his new carriage. Here the spelling you have to learn is invited already is there. You have to write only a D. Invited Rat and Mole for a ride in his new carriage. After writing this, leave one line, keep your scale and draw one line. Okay. Question number 3. What did the passers-by say when they saw the carriage? What did the passers-by say when they saw the carriage? The answer is, start from here. When the passers-by saw the carriage, what did they say? Wow, what a beautiful. Okay, so start from here. When the passers-by, P-A-S-S-E-R-S, passers-by, saw the carriage, put a comma, they said, what did they say children? They said that it was beautiful. Keep a full stop. Okay, shall I read once more? I'll read the answer. When the passers-by saw the carriage, they said that it was beautiful. Okay. Fourth question. What happened as they rode the carriage? What happened as they rode the carriage? As Toad, Rat and Mole rode the carriage, a motor car passed by them at a high speed. Because of this, the carriage fell into a roadside ditch. I repeat, as Toad, Rat and Mole rode the carriage, a motor car passed by them at a high speed. Because of this, the carriage fell into a roadside ditch. Question number 5. How did Toad fell when he saw the car? How did Toad feel when he saw the car? When Toad saw the car, he fell in love with it, as if he was under a spell. When Toad saw the car, he fell in love with it, as if he was under a spell. Children, now coming to a most important one is our grammar part. Okay, grammar part is very important. So listen carefully. What is a sentence, or what do you mean by a sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words, okay, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. I'll repeat. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. We'll see few examples. Okay children, let's see few examples. Yes, here Toad welcomed rat and mole. Toad welcomed rat and mole. What is here? A full stop. So this gives a complete sense, a complete sentence. So it's a full stop. See the next sentence. Is it about your boat? Is it about your boat? The rat and mole asked this question to whom? Toad. Is it about your boat? So here we have question mark. And third one is, what a beautiful carriage. What a beautiful carriage. When they saw that yellow carriage, they were very surprised and excited. So they said, what a beautiful carriage. So this is called exclamation mark. Alright children, now let us see few book exercises. The first one is, write true or false for these sentences. The first one is, Toad invited rat and mole for a boating trip. So this is false. Second one, Toad showed his friends a bright yellow carriage. Yes, so this is true. Rat was excited about the carriage ride. False. The car was Toad's new interest. Yes, so write true. Rat wanted to complain against the car driver. Yes, so it is true. Now, rewrite these sentences with the opposites of the underlined words. Choose words from the box. The answers are given here. You have to just write the opposite word for this underlined word. First one, Toad was standing in the garden. The Toad was standing? No, what he was doing? He was sitting. So opposite of standing is sitting. Already they have given here. See and you copy down here. Next one, the car passed by them very slowly. Did they go slowly? No. How did they go? Very fast. So opposite of slowly is right, fast. Learning to ride a bicycle is difficult. Opposite of difficult is easy. Granny enjoys cold soup. So underlined word is cold. So opposite of cold is hot. The pillow is very hard. So opposite word of hard is soft. Sarah does not like to reach school early. So the underlined word is early. Opposite of early is late. The aeroplane was flying below the clouds. Opposite of below is above. Children, you have learnt what is a sentence. So here there are a group of words. So find out which are sentences. If it's a sentence, you have to put a tick mark. The question is, tick the group of words that are sentences. Few sentence group of words are given. If it is a sentence, put a tick mark. Next, rearrange this group of words to form sentences. Rearrange this group of words to form sentences. Remember to add capital letters, full stops, question marks and exclamation marks where needed. Do this and submit this in our Google Classroom. What you have to do is, children, after writing this, take a photocopy and send it in Google Classroom. I'll send the code immediately. Thank you.